How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. If you haven't subscribed yet, go and subscribe. Today we're going to be installing yellow LED fog lights on my Sequoia. I already tinted the fog light housings yellow, but it wasn't bright enough for me, so I decided to try these out. I didn't want to go with white because I did not know if it's going to distort the yellow, being white LEDs pretty super bright. So I decided to go with these, and they're about 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description for these, so we'll test them out. So far from the package, I can see that they're metal. The quality on them is pretty good, actually. They're aluminum and they are direct plug and play, so we shouldn't be worrying about anything else. I'll let y'all know how they hold up. I will show y'all the before and after with LED fog lights and without LED fog lights. So let's get started and put those in. All right, so I'm underneath the truck where the fog light housing is, and there's to put those in, there's only 3 10mm bolts. I'm at the driver's side tire trying to fight the storms, kind of raining. But we'll take these out, and then it should be easy access to the plug for the light. So once you release these bolts, then the plug should be right up there. We can twist it out right now, and once you twist it out, then you can unplug the bulb. All right, once you plug the LED bulb, go in and make sure it works and put it back in. Once you get the bulb in, then you just put your screws back together and repeat it for the other side. All right, so the reason I went with the yellow fog light tint is during the day when they're off, I wanted that yellow look, and I had halogen bulbs behind them, and they weren't, it was bright, but it wasn't bright enough, especially when I add the LED headlights to them. It's gonna be drowned out by the white LED. With the yellow LED, actually it looks brighter. So as you can see, it will be a lot brighter at night. It'll be more distinct. I'll show you on the night videos how they look, but this is how they are when they're turned on during the day. Looks pretty good, and the new headlight housing looks really good with them. So this is it without the LED bulbs. Right now I just have on the DRLs, and here is just the headlights. Those are the high beams, of course, and here's with the fog lights, just with the tint, without the yellow LED bulbs. As you can see, it is pretty nice. You can see that it's yellow. I think with the LED is gonna look a lot better. Let me show y'all how it looks on the outside. So this is it on the outside, with just the fog lights being tinted yellow. And I'll show y'all how it looks with the yellow LED fog light bulbs with the yellow fog light tint. All right, so this is the after. I got the daytime running lights on right now, and these are the low beams. Of course, you got the high beams, and then this is the tinted fog light housing with yellow fog light LEDs. As you can see, it's a lot brighter, and got a lot more throw. Surprisingly, also got upwards throw, which I don't know how it is for oncoming traffic, but I'll show you how it looks outside. As you can see, it actually kind of looks like a Mountain Dew bottle with light shining through it. Kind of gives that color. It's not yellow. I mean, it definitely gives it a weird yellow, but I absolutely love them. Next video I'll install the new headlights and side markers. I already got those, So I'm excited. All right, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have more videos coming up.